11 Maths 1, chapter number 4, determinants and matrices. Exercise 4.1, page 64, question number 5. Evaluate A. Also, find minors and cofactors of second row. Second row का चाहिए and verify few things. ठीक है? तो let's first of all evaluate this determinant. क्या आएगा? A is equal to 2 into something something minus of minus plus 3 into something something plus 5 into something something. Tell me now. 2 into this product
minus 0
minus this product.
minus 20
Correct. Plus 3 into this product minus 42 minus 4.
42 minus
Correct. 5 into 30 minus 0. Correct.
0 sorry
30 minus 0. So what do you get there? Minus 40. This will become plus 3 into minus 46 plus 150. 150 minus 40 is 110 minus 1. So this will become minus 28. That is determinant of A. Is this okay?
yes
Okay. Now I will compare this with, I'll write this as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. I want the minors and cofactors of the elements in the second row, मतलब this. Okay?
yes
तो इसका माइनर क्या कहलाएगा? बोलो. Its minor is called as M21
into 1
is equal to what? इसका माइनर चाहिए. This
so it
product
will be 3
minus this product. So you want me to
21.
write down that 21 because this minor is given by,
Minus
I'll write it once, minus 3, 5,
no needed
5 minus, not needed?
no.
Okay. 21 minus 25, that is equal to minus 4. Correct? Similarly, minor M22. You
minus
just mark
14
minus 14 minus 5. Minus 14 minus 5, that is equal to minus 19.
yes
And the minor M23, this one,
10
minus minus 3. 10 plus 3, 30.
yes
Now the cofactors. C21. Cofactors. C21 क्या होगा? 2 plus 1 is 3, odd number. तो ये क्या बनेगा? Plus 4.
plus
C22. 2 plus 2 is 4, even number. This will be as it is, minus 9.
yes
And C23 is again odd
Minus
number.
30.
This will become minus 30. Any doubts about that?
no
What else they want us to prove? They say in the first part. What is LHS saying? Minus A21 into M21 plus A22 into M22 minus A23 into M23 is equal to, they are saying value of A. ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, value of A. ये प्रूव करना है. Let's check this now. LHS A. अब हम कोफैक्टर को C बोल रहे हैं,
yes
but उन्होंने कोफैक्टर्स को A बोला है. So these are all the cofactors and these are the minors.
okay
So let me substitute. Minus, it is C21, that is minus 4 into M21 minus plus cofactor 22 वाला minus 19, correct?
yes
Into M22 minus 19 minus A23, A23 that is C23 minus 30 minus of minus 30 into M23 is 30. Okay? 4 4 the 16.
yes
This is going to be plus. Plus कितना आएगा?
19
2 2 3 गड़बड़ हो गया क्या कुछ? एक मिनट. These are not the cofactors. I correct. These are not the cofactors. These are the element के values. है ना? तो ये element के values होनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? यहाँ पर क्या होगा? यहाँ पर क्या होगा? A21 is this 6. A22 is 0. And A23 is 4. Yeah. So this is gone. So what do you get there? Is 24, 0 minus 52. So 24 minus 52 में से 24 में minus 28. That is equal to value of determinant. Okay? In the second part, again they are asking something. B. What is the LHS? LHS says A21, C21. Okay? A21, C21
A22, C22
plus A22, C22
plus A23, C23
plus A23, C23. A21, 6. C21, 4 plus A22, 0. C22, जो भी कोई माइनस 19 क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? A23, 4 and C23 is minus 30. This is gone. Again minus 28, and that is equal to value of determinant. Okay. Now let me tell you one very important property of the determinant. Okay. Okay. You just take this page. We'll go for the next one. Question number 6. Find the value of determinant expanding along the third column. और मैंने ये ऐड किया है इसमें and second row. This determinant. Now here let me tell you a very peculiar property of determinant. First of all, I'll compare this with A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now what the property is? The property says the determinant can be expanded along any row and any column. Along any row and any column. So let us say D is the value of this determinant. If I am expanding this determinant along the third column, मतलब this, then D is equal to A13, C13, A23, C23 plus A33 and C33. This is the formula. Now the same formula we have used in the previous problem. Well, if I am expanding it along the second row, this is the second row, please note. So what it will be if it is along the second row? Can you answer it?
Yes.
A21 into C21 plus
A22
A22 into C22 plus A23 into C23. In fact, this is what we have proved in the last question. Is equal to value of A21. बराबर है क्या? So I have added it over here, and you will see that the value of determinant is same. So हम ये blue वाला और red वाला दोनों करेंगे solve. That means these are cofactors I have to find out. Cofactors of this column and cofactors of this row. We have to find. That means we have to find out the minors of those. So let me start with the minors now. Minors. Required minors. क्या होंगे बताओ?
0
M21. M21 का क्या बनेगा? 0 minus 8.
0 minus yes
बराबर है?
yes
तो कोफैक्टर क्या होगा? ऑड नंबर प्लस 8.
yes
लगे हाथ तुमने कोफैक्टर लिख दिया. नेक्स्ट M22. 0 minus minus 6.
0, yes.
That is 0 plus 6. 6. What will be the cofactor? It is 6.
6.
Then M23
Minus 3.
minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4
Minus 4
plus 3. Correct?
Yes.
That is equal to minus 1. What will be C23? Odd number plus 1.
Yes.
These are the minus and cofactors for the second row. Done. Okay. Now I want it for this column. So इसमें से ये M13 minus 8
Minus
plus
6.
9. That is equal to 1. Even number C13 1.
Okay.
This M23 is already down. Right? So now the last one, that is M33 is equal to minus 3 plus 2.
Excuse me.
Minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. And C33, even number, minus 1. Is that done?
Yes.
Now let us expand this. The expansion along the third column we'll do first. Along third column. बराबर है D is equal to क्या आएगा? Along third column I'll use this formula. D is equal to A13 C13 plus A23 C23 plus A33 C33. Is this okay?
Yes.
Therefore, what is A13? A13 2. Answer it please. C13
C.
1. A23 minus 2. C23
1.
1. A33 0.
0.
C33 is whatever. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? So what is D is equal to 2
Two.
minus 4 is equal to minus 2.
Yes.
Now let us expand it along the second row. Expansion along the second row. Expansion along second row. So D is equal to
Minus
A21. It is like this, now. A21 C21. A22 C22. A23 C23. Expand. So D is equal to A21 minus 2. Answer it please. C21.
8.
A22.
3.
C22.
6.
A23
Minus
and C23. 1. Open it. So D is equal to 16 minus 16 plus 18 minus 4 minus 2. Is it the same answer?
Yes.
You can expand it along any row or any column, you will get the same answer. Please note this.
1.
Okay. Next we go for the properties of determinants. Now these properties are given in the textbook in the script form. I will read the property and I'll explain the property. First property is given as that. Please refer to page number 64. The value of determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Rows are turned into columns and columns are turned into rows. मतलब इस डिटरमिनेंट का वैल्यू समझो d है, d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 जो भी है उसका वैल्यू. अगर मैं रोज को कॉलम्स बना दूं A B C, ओके, P Q R and X Y Z, then its value still remains d. समझे?
Yes.
This is the first property. The rows are changed to columns and columns are changed to rows.
Okay.
Okay. Second property, वे अगर यही है डिटरमिनेंट d is equal to ये डिटरमिनेंट. Second property, if any two rows or any two columns of the determinant are interchanged, the value of determinant changes in sign only.
Okay.
समझो ये है डिटरमिनेंट गिवन. अब मैं अगर रो 1 एंड रो 3 इंटरचेंज कर लूँ तो ये डिटरमिनेंट क्या बन जाएगा? व्हाट इज दिस गोइंग टू दिस विल बिकम, बोलो क्या आएगा ये?
X, Y, Z,
एक्स वाई जेड
PQ,
क्यू आर
ABC.
ABC. So in this case, the value of determinant will be minus d. It will change only in the sign.
Okay.
If I'll interchange the second and third column, C2 is interchanged with C3. तो क्या बनेगा बताओ? APX,
APX,
CRZ
CRZ,
and DQY. The value of determinant will be in this case again minus d. So if I interchange any two rows or any two columns, the value of determinant will change only in the sign.
Yes.
Third property. Third property. समझो कि ऐसा कोई डिटरमिनेंट है ABC, PQR and ABC. Then its value is 0.
Okay.
If any two rows or any two columns are identical, the value of determinant is equal to 0. That is the third property.
Okay.
If any two rows or any two columns are identical, same,
Mm.
the value of determinant is equal to 0. Okay? Alright. Fourth property. क्या property है? Suppose there is a determinant A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, and its value is equal to D. Now suppose for any row or column,
Yes.
I'll multiply every element by some constant.
Okay.
Say this will become A, B, C, P, Q, R, and there is KX,
KY, KZ.
KY, and KZ. The value of the determinant will be K times D. If any row or any column, if we are multiplying the element by any constant, the value of determinant becomes that constant times the original value. Is this okay?
Okay.
Alright? Fifth property. Suppose this is a determinant. Now suppose इसका एक रो है, समझो first row. Each element is expressed as a sum of two numbers. Each element is expressed as a sum of two numbers. Then this determinant can be written as sum of two determinants. This determinant can be written as the sum of two determinants. कौन से दो determinants? It will be like A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, और इधर होगा X1, Y1, Z1, A2, B2, C2, and A3, B3, C3. So if every element of any row or column is expressed as the sum of the two numbers, then that determinant can be expressed as the sum of the two determinants as shown here. That is the property. Is this property clear? I shall explain this property number 5 with an example here. Let us say this is one determinant. इसमें I will express this as sum of 2 plus 3. Can I?
Yes.
I will express this as the sum 1 plus 2. Can I?
Yes.
And I'll express this as 3 plus 4. Can I?
Yes.
So this determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. Can you tell me which two determinants? Bolo?
2, 1, 3,
Correct. 2, 1, 3,
4,
4, 0, minus 1,
3, 7,
3, 7, 2, and
3, 2, 4,
3, 2, 4,
4, 0, minus 1,
4, 0, minus 1,
3, 7.
3, 7, 2. That's it. Okay? That's the property. Alright? Property number 6. Let me explain you this property. Suppose this is the determinant and its value is equal to A. Now this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third. Suppose I carry out a row transformation. What is meant by a row transformation? Let me explain it. If I make any row transformation, क्या होता है row transformation? I'll say R1, या फिर से for example R2 is equal to R2 plus K times R3.
Okay.
This K can be positive, negative, any number, real number. अगर ये रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में करूँगा तो ये जो नया डिटरमिनेंट है वो क्या दिखेगा बताओ. This will change R2. In the process R1 and R3 will remain same intact. A1, B1, C1, and R3 will also be same. A3, B3, and C3. Correct?
Yes.
But what will be R2 is equal to? R2 is equal to R2 plus K times R3. मतलब ये क्या बनने वाला है? A2 plus K times A3, B2 plus K times B3, and C2 plus K times C3. Is this okay?
Yes.
This is called as a row transformation.
Okay.
This can be carried out for any of the rows.
Okay.
And after doing this row transformation also, the value of determinant remains same. Is this okay? Row transformation. Now you will get to know about this when we will be solving the problems. This is also true for any column transformation. Column transformation. Say for example C3 is equal to C3 minus K times C1. क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? इसकी वजह से C3 चेंज होगा, मतलब C1 और C2 सेम. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. C3 is equal to C3 minus K times C1.
So
यह है column 1, column 2, column 3. Come on.
C3 minus
C3 minus K times C1, मतलब C1 minus K A1, C2 minus K A2, and C3 minus K A3. And after this transformation also the value of determinant remains the same. Is this okay?
Yes.
Any doubts about that? Then there is one last property given in the book. Property number 7. We'll see that now. This property number 7 is also called as triangle property. Now let me explain what is this property. If you look at this determinant, is this forming a triangle here? यहाँ पे भी या फिर यहाँ पे भी triangle तैयार कर रहे हैं ना? This is the lower triangle.
Okay.
And here it's forming the triangle in the upper region. Yes or no?
Yes.
बराबर है क्या? So this is called as the triangle property. And ये जो होता है, this is called as the diagonal. This is called as the diagonal. Diagonal. ऐसा diagonal इधर भी है. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if all the elements below the diagonal are 0, or all the elements above the diagonal are 0, then the value of determinant is equal to product of all the diagonal elements A1, B2, C3.
Okay.
Direct. This is equal to A1, B2, C3. This is the property called as the triangle property. Is this clear? Is that okay? Property number 8. ये बुक में नहीं दिया, मैंने एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉपर्टी बता रहा हूँ. For any row or column, a constant can be taken out common if possible. Suppose there is a determinant A, B, C, P, Q, R, Kx, Ky, and Kz. अगर ऐसा है determinant, तो can we take out any constant from there? Yes.
Okay.
I can take out this constant K. So K is taken out common from row 3. तो वो K बाहर आएगा. Okay? वो K बाहर आएगा. So this become A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Okay? अब जैसे मैंने कॉमन निकाला है, वैसे उसको मैं अंदर भी भेज सकता हूँ. So taken out common or sent across. Sent across मतलब ये के निकाल के मैं यहाँ पर आई कैन सेंड दिस के, अगर मैं के को भेजता हूँ अंदर अलोंग C2 तो वो क्या होगा, बी के, क्यू के, वाई के, ऐसा हो जाएगा. समझे क्या? सो दिस विल बिकम ए पी एक्स और ये हो जाएगा बी के, क्यू के एंड वाई के. ओके, एंड सी आर जेड विल बी एज इट इज.
Yes.
Is that okay? So this is one very important property which we make use of while solving the numericals again and again, and that's why this additional property which is not mentioned in the book I have given here. Please remember this. Is that clear?
Yes.
Because this is used many a times to take something common or send it across. Okay? So take the snap of this.